how to add blog states, gadget, widget layout on your blog or website on Blogger. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Blogger. This is the home page and the dashboard, as you can see. Now click on layout option right here and scroll down to the sidebar bottom here, click on add the gadget, and now scroll down until you find the blog states. Click on it and congratulations. By the way, you can also choose the counter style. As you can see, you can choose all time, last 30 days, last 7 days, or wherever. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.